Hello guys, here is Oliver from Brothers in Dice channel, and today I want to present you the special thing I found in a local hobby shop, Grass Effect Paste. I just ran into this product and realized it should be a real great product for quick army builders. I will give it a shot and make a grass base for my Honor Guard Blood Angel I've just painted. Alright, what stays the backside? Water-based paste to initiate grass. Apply heat gun to expand the paste. Complete with acrylic colors for shading and velvet powder for soft touch. Alright, I think first step is applying the paste on the base. I will use a bit thicker layer. I'm really excited how this will turn out. Trying to apply some more here in front and see what happens. Okay, it doesn't state if it should be dried or not, but I will heat it right now. Okay, here I am back with the figure prepared for the heat gun. Okay, I will start to heat the base and let's see what happens. Look at that! It already works. So let's give it a push. Here we are with the expanded grass. You see, I didn't expect that. We've got the dancing blood angel here. Oh, no, it's no problem. Well, let's position him back. But the grass, I think it works. Okay. Now it's done.